Shares of SharkNinja, they're moving higher this morning. The appliance company posting better than expected earnings and revenue for the full year. SharkNinja expecting revenue growth in the range of 10 to 12% versus estimates of 12.4%. The earnings in the range of $4.80 to $4.90 a share, expectations at $4.87. The company said the guidance included a 10% addition in terms of the tariffs on imports from China. This stock has been on the move as a big winner over the past year. It's been quite a remarkable thing to watch. Joining us first here on CNBC is Mark Barrocas. He is SharkNinja's CEO. Good morning to you. Can you keep this going? I mean, this stock, I don't know. It's been on as I said, like a straight line, and it hasn't been a straight line up, but it's been up in a big way.
Well, SharkNinja's viral innovation has really created a global loyal fan base that's fueling both top and bottom line growth. I mean, we had a great fourth quarter. We grew our business 30% on the top line. We grew at 32% on the bottom line. That continues 16 years of compounded annual growth for SharkNinja, 21%. And as you pointed out, we've already advised, very strong guidance, double-digit growth that we're expecting in 2025. So we feel like our pipeline of innovation is really exciting. Consumers are excited about it, and we're excited to head into the year.
On the tariff front, because I think that's something that everybody's worried about, what are you doing ahead of it? I mean, maybe you can't get ahead of it at this point. I mean, just how do you see the impact, and are you doing anything to change?
Well, look, tariffs are nothing new to us. I mean, we've been navigating through tariffs now since Trump 1.0. I mean, tariffs have been in place on 35% of our U.S. production really for the last 5 years. And so step one is by the end of Q2, we will have moved 90% of our production outside of China and diversified our supply chain considerably. So that's step one. Step two is, we have a really scaled global supply chain. So we're working on driving down costs, value engineering, doing everything we possibly can to make sure that we don't have to pass costs along to the consumer. That is very, sensitive right now with the inflationary challenges that consumers have had. So it's uncertain times. We've been great at navigating uncertain times, whether it's tariffs or COVID or inflation or component exposure. So we feel like we're in a very good position. And as you said, within our guidance, we've included all the latest tariffs in that guidance and are still expecting EBITDA growth of 13 to 15% this year.
You have been fair enough to say, a viral sensation, in large part in places like TikTok. Have you factored into the world what happens if TikTok goes away?
The content creator community is alive and strong. TikTok is only one platform that us and the content creator communities are communicating out about our products. Meta is tremendous for us. YouTube, we're growing on Reddit, we're growing on Pinterest. So regardless of what happens with TikTok, we believe that we are content creators, and the user-generated content that's developed by our consumers is going to find a place to be able to communicate the excitement about our viral products, as you point out.
Are you betting, though, that TikTok goes away or not?
Look, it's out of our control. I mean, it's hypothetical, but I can tell you that there are enough other platforms to be able to, that will pick up, all of that content if TikTok does go away. I'm very confident. I'm excited about the growth of YouTube. I'm excited about the growth of Reddit. And other platforms will emerge, if the TikTok void happens.
Okay, what's the hot new product we should know about for those of us playing at home?
Well, I mean, so actually yesterday we just launched a product called the Creamy Swirl. It's our next generation creamy product that delivers soft serve ice cream on your countertop. We had 90,000 people on the waiting list for that product. Before the product even launched, there were 75 million social media impressions. On our first day, we nearly sold out of the product. That's a really exciting product for us. We're disrupting the outdoor cooking space. We have a product called the Ninja Flex Flame. So instead of having to think about whether you want a grill or a smoker or a griddle or a pizza oven, this product does everything under one hood. We've got 25 new products that are going to be launching this year into the market across a whole bunch of different categories. And I'll plug one more for you as well. We just launched in the U.S. our first FDA-approved product called the Shark Cryo Glow. It's an LED infrared cryo face mask, and it's going to be available at all the major beauty retailers as we head into the second quarter.
Can I just ask one question? Just as I'm a consumer of some of the Ninja products. We have a bunch of them. They're like super competitively priced relative to your competitors. I mean,
like Dyson.
It's a lot cheaper than them. And my question is, because I haven't had it that long, some of these things. Do they hold up as long, or as part of the sort of value proposition, you're going to own it for a couple of years, it may not work after a couple of years, but you're going to buy a new one?
Well, we built our business, one 5-star review at a time. If you go online and you look at reviews for Shark and Ninja products, it's about market-leading performance, consumer disruptive innovation, high-quality, reliable products, but at a great value. Look, we're not the lowest priced products in the market. We're not the highest priced products, but we move the opening price consumer up into our brands, and we're also the brand of choice for premium consumers as well. So we've really built our business off of quality and reliability.